Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this one, we are going to unbox Creality HALOT ONE 3D printer. This is a resin 3D printer, that's why it's more vertical. And you will see what's inside this box. Let's take it out. Okay, I am continuing to unbox it. There are lots of nylons and we need to remove them one by one. Now I'm going to turn the face towards you guys. Let's remove this portion. This is the base of the machine, and inside this, right in here, we have the build plate. So this is the build plate. And now let's look what's inside this package portion. After sales card, user manual, some spatula and cleaning brush, Allen wrenches, filters, and USB stick. We have release film for 3D printer. Basically, this is an extra film to replace the tank film. And what else we have is the power cord. I know you guys will like this. Is this like ASMR? Look at how it pulls my arm hair. Electricity. Nicely done. Thank you guys for watching. This is the end of unboxing HALOT ONE 3D printer. It's a resin 3D printer, DLP. And we just finished unboxing it. It was pretty fast. There are very few pieces. And in the next video, we are going to put everything in and help you out for making your very first print with this machine. It's going to be very easy, very straightforward. We will show you the settings as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's see how it's gonna go in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you like this video and if you're excited to see the next one. See you guys in the next video. Bye.